How to fix iPhone keeps rebooting logo error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iPhone keeps rebooting logo error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you are getting that error, the first thing that I recommend you guys do is try a forced restart. Now, trying a forced restart will help you troubleshoot or restart your iPhone altogether and will just get you back to your home screen. So by home screen, I mean it'll just start your iPhone. So to do a forced restart, what you'll need to do is press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, and then you can release it. After that, your iPhone will just restart and it should get you back to your normal screen. So after you're there, what you can then do is head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, scroll down till you find general. Tap on general, and on your general, scroll down all the way. Then tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then choose the reset option. Then reset all of your settings by tapping on reset all settings. And after you reset all of your settings, what you can then do is you can come back to your settings, and on your settings, go to general again and head over to iPhone, software update. After you're on software update, check if there is a software update available and update your software. After you update your software, your problem should get fixed. If it does not get fixed, be sure to contact your Apple support as there might be some hardware related issues. And that's the fix for it, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.